Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies. We already completed some lessons in this social studies 6th class. Now I want to explain to you the world map. World map is very important. Why? Because in the world map, continents are there, oceans are there. Okay? In the continents, countries are there. Okay, children. Now look at here. I drawn the world map. Here, four hemispheres are there. How many? Four hemispheres. For example, look at here. Look at here. This is northern hemisphere. What is this? Northern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Okay, children? This is northern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Now look at here. I want to explain to you what are the continents and what are the oceans in this world, in the world. For example, this is Pacific Ocean. We know Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Okay, children, this is Southern Ocean or this is Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. Antarctic. This is Arctic. Here, Arctic. Okay, children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 oceans are there. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans are there. What are there? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctica or Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, children. Now continents. Look there. North America, one of the continent. South America, one of the continent. Europe, this is third continent. Asia, fourth continent. Africa, fifth continent. Australia, sixth continent. Antarctica, seventh continent. Okay, children. So 7 continents are there. How many continents are there? 7 continents are there. What are the 7 continents? Asia, biggest one. Where is Asia? This is Asia. This is Asia. Next to Africa. This is Africa. Okay, children. This is North America. This is South America. Okay, children. This is Europe. This is Australia. This is Australia. This is Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay, children. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 continents are there. 7 continents are there. Now, this is, for example, equator. So, equator, both sides half space are there from the equator. So, this is northern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Here, look at what continents are there in northern hemisphere. I wrote here northern hemisphere. For example, I gave number here 1, northern hemisphere. Okay, so what are the continents in northern hemisphere? Look at, this is northern hemisphere. North America, 1. North America. Next, children, look at Europe, Asia. Europe, Asia. Okay, children. Half part of Africa. Fourth one is half only Africa continent. So these are lies in or locates in northern hemisphere. So these are northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Okay, children. Now look at here. This part is called southern hemisphere. This part is called southern hemisphere. Now, once look at this is southern hemisphere. So, what are the continents in southern hemisphere? Look at here. Just you wrote here. This is Antarctica. Antarctica continent. Next one, Australia. Australia. Okay, children. Antarctica, Australia. Look at South America. Third one is South America. Almost majority part locates in southern hemisphere in South America. Okay, children. Next to Africa. Some part locates in southern hemisphere. Africa. Okay, children. Now look at here. These are southern hemisphere continent. Southern hemisphere continents. These are northern hemisphere continents. These are southern hemisphere continents. Okay, children. Now look at this is eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Now children, what continents are there in eastern hemisphere? Okay? Eastern hemisphere. Now look at here. Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa. 1, 2, 3, 4. And some part of Antarctica. These continents locates in eastern hemisphere. Okay? Eastern hemisphere. Next children, look at here. This is western hemisphere. What is this? Western hemisphere. What are the continents in western hemisphere? Look at children. North America, South America, some part of Antarctica. Locates in western hemisphere. Okay, children. North America, South America, Antarctica, some part locates in western hemisphere. In eastern hemisphere, some part of Antarctica, full Australia, full Asia, Europe, and majority part Africa continent. Okay, children. Now you look at your textbook. Come to the page number 27, children. Page number 27. Look at here. Observe the following pictures and fill the boxes with the name of the shaded hemispheres. Look at here. This is the shaded hemisphere. What it is? Northern hemisphere, children. Next, children, look at here. This is shaded hemisphere, southern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere, children. Next, children, look at this is western hemisphere, children. This is eastern hemisphere. I wrote on the blackboard already. Now look at you write down here northern hemisphere, western hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Okay, eastern hemisphere. Shaded one only write down here. Okay. I said what continents are there in northern hemisphere? North America, half part of Africa continent, Europe, Asia locates in northern hemisphere, children. Our India also locates in northern hemisphere. Look at here. Next you come to the southern hemisphere. So majority part of South America, half part to Africa, full part to Australia continent, full part to Antarctica continent, children. Next look at children. Western hemisphere. North America, South America continents are there. A small part to Africa continent, Europe continent also there. Look here. Eastern hemisphere. Children, eastern hemisphere majority part Europe, full part Africa, Asia continent, majority part Africa continent, majority full part Australia, half part Antarctica continent locates. Okay children, now turn your page, come to the page number 28. Now look at here, already wrote what are the continents, what are the oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay children, now North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Okay children. Okay, now you come to the page children. Here once you come to the page number 38 children, page number 38. Now with the help of your textbook, take one pencil and fill. This is North America, write down here. This is South America, write down. This is Greenland children. This is Africa continent. This is Europe continent. This is Asia continent children. Look, this is our India, Australia continent, Antarctica continent. Okay children. Okay, now what are the oceans? I said this is this area Pacific Ocean children. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. This is Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean children. Okay children. So that is world map. In that world map, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. What continents are located? What are the oceans? We discussed in this lesson children. Next children, once you come, once again come to your textbook, page number 34 children, page number 34. In this page number, what you can find? States and capitals of our India and also neighboring countries of our India, neighboring countries. Next to borders of our country. What are the borders of our country children? You must keep in mind, this is east side, Bay of Bengal is there. This is west side, Arabian Sea is there. East to Bay of Bengal, west to Arabian Sea. Next to this is, look at Pakistan children. This is north children. This is here Himalayas and some neighboring countries are there. This is south part, Indian Ocean children. Okay, neighboring countries. This is Pakistan children. This is China. This is Nepal. This is Bhutan, small country. This is Bangladesh. This is Myanmar. This is Sri Lanka. So these are the neighboring countries of our country. Next to island children. In Arabian Sea, Lakshadweeps also belongs to our country. Lakshadweeps. In Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they also belongs to our country children. Okay? They are union territories. What they are called? Union territories children. Next one, for example, this is our Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital? Amravati. This is Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital. This is Karnataka. Okay children? This is Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram is the capital. Tamil Nadu, Chennai is the capital. Okay children? Now look at Pondicherry, Yanam, Chandigarh, Diu and Daman, Delhi. These are union territories. Next, Lakshadweeps, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are union territories. Okay children? Delhi is our India capital children. Okay? Next, these are northern, states. These are southern states of our country. Northeastern states, children, these are seven sisters, seven states are there. What are the states here? Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Assam. Look at Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Assam, okay, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. These are the northeastern states, children. Okay, thank you, children.